But tell a gal, chat to your back. She can't touch a button, no you she can. But tell a gal, chat to your back. She can't touch a button, no you she can. You a real bad gal when no take back chat.
Hi guys, what's up? It's been a while since I've done a voiceover. I know it's just that my background is also always so noisy and it's still not that quiet today, but you know, I feel like I really wanted to talk through this video for you guys. I've never done a video like this before. I have been trying my best to incorporate foundation into a couple of my recent videos for you guys' sake, for the people who definitely have to use foundation to cover up any blemishes and even out your skin tone. I definitely understand, but as you guys know, I don't usually use it on a daily basis for myself because, you know, I live in the tropics, as I've mentioned like a million times before, and the less product for me the better. So I try my best to take care of my natural skin so I can apply less product, and so I just resort to powder most of the time. So yeah, but today I've been rocking with Sistar cosmetics for a while now because I really do love their products. They're very affordable, very affordable, and the quality is bomb. So like, it's a win for me. And so I decided that today I wanted to go ahead and do a foundation swatch of all their foundations that they currently have. And this was, you know, it was requested by a couple of people, a couple of subscribers. So I'm happy that I could do this video for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. Okay guys, so I did my brows off camera just to get that out the way, and I do have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial, so if you need to see that, it will be linked down below in the description box. All right, and if you're wondering what I used to get my brows done today, I use the Sistar Cosmetics Brow Perfecting Pencil, and this is in charcoal. No nails today, I'm getting them done very soon, so yeah. And to clean up, I use the PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting HD Concealer in Golden Beige and Tan for the top, Golden Beige for the bottom. Now we're moving on to the face. This is the main focus of this video. So okay, big question is, a lot of people might be saying, so I need help. I need help to know how to match, how to find my correct foundation. A very common question that I get. That's a common question as it relates to foundation overall, like period. Okay, so all right, my biggest tip with matching or getting the closest shade you can find to your skin tone in terms of foundation is, a lot of people, I see them do it on their hands, but that's something like, that's old school for me. No, what I do and what works for me most, meaning myself and when I'm applying foundation to clients, is I use the jawline because it's closest to the neck, and you want to make sure that it's matching your neck and your chest. You want to always ensure that those areas, that everything ties into one. So I feel like the best place to test your foundation on is the jawline. When trying out or trying to find the perfect foundation for your skin, I'd say some qualities that you want to look for is, number one, you want to ensure that it matches your skin. You want to find something that doesn't oxidize too much. What do I mean in terms of oxidize? Okay guys, side note, I will be doing a lot of talking in this video. It's very necessary because I need to explain this. Oxidize means, you know, that means the foundation gets darker, and I believe every foundation gets darker even a bit. So you want to ensure, sometimes you'll put on a foundation at first and it looks like it's the perfect tone, and 2-3 hours later it looks dark, it looks red, it looks weird. And so you want to ensure that you find the correct thing. So going ahead and testing out shades is very crucial in my opinion. That's if you don't have money like that to go ahead and splurge and buy like 3 shades, because in some cases you might end up having to mix and match foundations. And for like mostly like professional makeup artists like myself, like I end up doing a lot of that sometimes. Well, you know, when you want to save on time and you can't necessarily go and really search to find that one shade, you can mix and match and make it perfect for one skin tone. So yeah, but make sure that it's perfect for your skin type. What do I mean like that? Being by that, some people might have dry skin, some people might have combination skin, and some people might have oily skin. Now the Sistar PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation, okay, it's lightweight. I've worn this out before, like for the entire evening, and it was perfect. Okay, it is lightweight, and what I realized is that it's not a drying foundation. It's not very mattifying. It does have a bit of a dewy finish. So I believe this foundation is perfect for people with dry skin / combination skin. I believe I have like a little bit of both. So if you are on the oily side and you want to use this foundation, what I'd recommend you do is go ahead and you want to make sure that you prep your skin properly. As a matter of fact, for every single foundation you apply, you want to make sure that you always prep your skin properly. What I mean by that doesn't just mean primer. It also means moisturizing the skin, exfoliating the skin. You want to ensure that you take care of your skin before makeup, period. Makeup will not appear flawless without having a proper skin routine, no matter how well you apply makeup. If your skin is not well taken care of, it's a no-no. So please take care of your skin, exfoliate, moisturize, prime, in that order, and I'm pretty sure your makeup would come out looking better. But for this, as it relates to people with oily skin, I'd recommend going in with a very mattifying primer. I should go ahead and get into the swatches. Okay, so this line, they carry a total of 8 foundations. This is the Skin Perfecting liquid foundation. Okay, we're gonna start off with what these actually look like on the skin. So the first shade I'm gonna be going in with is Golden Beige, and guys, by the way, these are very creamy. I really love the way they blend too. They blend like a dream. I definitely forgot to mention that. Then I'm going in with Tan, Bronze, Chocolate Chip, Morning Coffee, Brownie, Burnt Cinnamon. For the final one, we have Deep Espresso. I did all the swatches, Golden Beige being the lightest and Deep Espresso being the darkest. They have expressed that they will definitely be adding more shades, which I feel like is very important. In previous tutorials where I used the foundation, I went ahead and I used Chocolate Chip, which is definitely, I feel like, closest to my skin tone. I hope they're definitely going to be adding darker shades, like with warmer tones, because what I realized is like these 3 right here, which is Morning Coffee, Brownie, and Burnt Cinnamon, they are very red. They come off very red. They have more of red undertone. So I hope they're going to make a couple more with more, you know, like warm undertones, more yellow and stuff. Yeah, so that's it for them. They're very creamy, and I feel like they're definitely full coverage. I'm going to go ahead and proceed to just applying the one that I always use, which is Chocolate Chip. Because right now my background is a bit noisy, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. Okay, guys, so I went in with the PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting Primer to just make sure that we have a very smooth base working with, and I filled in any lines or pores before applying the foundation. Went ahead and blended that out. Now I'm taking the foundation, and this is Chocolate Chip, as I mentioned before, and as you could see, I just took 1 pump off that, guys. A little goes a long way, believe me. And you see how flawlessly this blended out. Look at that. It's seamless. It doesn't come off patchy, not streaky. And the brush, you want to make sure you use like a brush like this one. This is a flat top brush from Fearless. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Love it. So there you have it. I applied the foundation, and it really doesn't look bad. I actually thought it was gonna be a bit too light for me, since I know I got a tan. If you guys notice, when I applied it, I didn't take it up all the way underneath the eyes, because you're going to apply your concealer there to highlight. You know, I don't believe in caking on products. It's too much for me. I want to still feel my pores breathe. So, and I didn't apply a lot of that foundation either. If you guys notice, a little goes a long way. So please don't be heavy-handed with it. The areas that I highlight, I don't saturate those areas with foundation. You want your skin to be flawless. And caking on the products, trust me, sometimes that will lead to cracking, creasing. It just will not look good. You don't want that. So please don't cake on your products, guys. Please don't do that. All right, so for the under eye area, I'm gonna go back in with my golden beige concealer from Sistar Cosmetics. Okay guys, so just go back on the edges of where I just highlighted to make sure that everything is blending seamlessly, you know. You want to ensure that you always set it, no matter what, no matter where you are in the world, you need to set it. You need to set it with powders so that it doesn't go anywhere. And it appears even more flawless when you do this. Trust me, if you leave it like this, you'll end up looking like a grease ball. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention about the foundations, I really hope that when they come up with more shades, they probably change the packaging to something that is transparent. Reason being, you know, it saves you from the hassle of having to pull each and every tube and to put it on the back of your hand or so to see what shade it, how the shade looks. You know what shade it is because it's listed, but to see how it actually looks. I hope they're really, you know, think about doing that. That would be really cool. So yeah, now I'm just gonna set all the areas I first highlighted, and then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the PETITE-SUE Skin Perfecting Finishing Powder. Now, as I said before, I'm just setting the highlighted portions first, and you just want to make sure that you really press the powder into the skin, not swipe it, press it in. I took the PETITE-SUE powder, as I said before, to balance out the rest of the face, and I went on the sides of the nose with some of that as well. This is how everything is looking once I set it, you know, I look like I'm wearing a filter. Pretty much it for how everything looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes and, you know, just finish up my face, you know, come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So yeah, went ahead and completed my face. I didn't do anything, you know, too over the top. I kept it very neutral. I just added some wings, my lippy, and some glow as usual. I definitely hope they add darker shades to the collection because I believe they could definitely go darker than Deep Espresso. It's really good for the price point, like really good. And if you guys want to know all the details about that and stuff, the website link will be in my description box. All the shades that I swatched will be listed, so go ahead and check that out. I feel like I would definitely recommend these foundations to anybody out there that is looking for something that is affordable and of really good quality. So go ahead and give them a chance. All right, also, if you guys are wondering about my widgets from rpghair.com, I have this from a while back. The first link in the description box is my page link to RPG, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my thoughts and just this tutorial as a whole today. I hope it was informative enough for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and that's it for now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.